Whenever it comes to centerpieces, I love bringing nature into the home. Therefore, arrangement that looks like a bouquet is never my cup of tea. When you're working with your bouquet, uniformity is not the key. Go irregular, go high, go low, go slanted, go straight. Because looking organic also means looking very natural. Some of the elements I like to put in are like dry branches, and especially those that are really free-form, that comes in many different shapes, because those is a representation of how nature can be like. I like to look for branches that are very free-form and irregular in shape, because that gives it even more a rustic look. And second of all, I love to incorporate something that's not just flowers and greens, but a moss ball in this case. Dry leaves are also perfect. As we all know, it's not always everything that's in nature that's blooming. And for the extra touch, I always like to add in berries. Last but not least are the flowers. I love dahlias, and these flowers are amazing. They're huge, and they come in so many different colors and hues. I always like to choose colors that are not straight up, like champagne, dusty rose, or hues that has a combination of a couple colors blended in together. And when you're working on your arrangement, don't forget to select some flowers that are single stem, cluster-like, and of course, most importantly, add in your leaves. From flowers to bulbs to berries to dry leaves and branches, play around with everything. And of course, most importantly, remember to enjoy the process.